Kwanan Richie. I think he was in the voter Richie. Okoye what to say bibiaba. To Okoye he was providing solutions say on one engineer. Engineers no and share kwan be faswa. Okati will be a kabi. And it is not about say you see when you are president, you are the biggest person in the country. And you must let excuse my language, meaning that, but you must let wisdom prevail.
News.
Exactly.
And how you
I was almost a baby a major uncle for a tried as someone making a home bassam. Look, one can't ask some way about to ask someone. Go be back a baby. You see, and I can and yes, sir, Obi and I kaka Odema Urama Hama and Kadi Wabeka. Don't respond to it. Respond to a month for now, when we are president or Matua Bamau.
At the given time, of course.
By the constitution of our republic, so you do good to all manner of persons. You know, let that reflect in your statement.
Yeah.
And once nobody is fighting the president. No. As a matter of fact, the media is there to work for the nation. And to work on movies or mufa nipa beti. I know more here. Now we say media na kofi we asabi beba. But quickly, you see. I don't want to do too much politics of this because lives is at stake. Nkrofo try to drop us seriously. We share devastation na yakoso hona. Enye easy. Now you see, there's one thing you must understand. Say, modernization is creeping in all over the world. Modernization. And take it in a plane crown. Airport ne ene epum. But go to South Korea, you must see airport won't swim. And then go Singapore, you see hotel won't swim. What done swim glass na a and now Makasaka say,
and then no
money namu. Ya train. I end up a swas and swasses. Jatana in Yatimedio Muti, a bog glass, boom, boom, boom. That is modernization. And for me, it is not a matter of resettlement. And as I was some Crawford free in Surano. One him say, and then Crawford see beach houses. Have you ever experienced it before? Beautiful beach houses.
Yeah.
I was safari in a beach house in Nubia. Bia. The because what I say, and modernization is creeping in. And modernization, Oko Dubai, a Baj Khalifa Munina. And then so many. And then Kofi Beboa. And then so many. So we are not doing something right as our mind. Our engineers must put up their thinking cap. You think this will happen in China? Where's that? Who's that they will China? Accident there, accident.
Especially when we know, say,
Jesus
Christ. This time you are Bagridam almost what are you talking? So this is the volume of what I expect.
What are you talking?
I mean, we tend to have even VRA blaming the meteorological service department.
Can you imagine this?
They were not even.
Can you imagine this? So what I say, Auntie Masa,
oh Masa, you let us leave them.
Oh, maybe so no, nobody will leave them.
Oh,
no, Masa, Masa, it is not for them.
Anyway,
and you say,
that is the way you think.
No, I teach your mind. We are building a nation. Another yeah, teach your mind. Obi I negligent. We see any enjoy. And then no, because we are by Changano. Why do I win? I was bet you know what school so we are engineer. Who's bet him ye? Another and then the money you travel. What do you mean? Yeah, can't someone who's here. Yeah, that job. No, we must put up our thinking cap. Could we make us what I say? Yeah, me don't make catch your whistle. Me know who cost to because you say me say limo which a castle here. Go afromu almost dance wo. I don't know creating lake. That could be my for alcohol. I don't know creating lake. I want hotel ho. And na omo ayi you kwan nso no enamu. I don't know dia grass mu. I don't know pavement. I don't know ko adan. Akosisa boba kese akese. Abehihye for. That could be do back ho. Me do nso afromu. I don't know sit down. But do one can class a fro. And we must put up our thinking caps. And Grofona also resettle. Look, almost resettle on my coin. And then Grofo AC beach houses. And Grofo AC dine a punano pair, a river voltanano pair. Aqua safari. And Ghana had a war a dan. Huh? A dan ho among for call a daho or mobuja or much aqua safari. Omachi eyina omasi board sa ko razo no one allied oil allied filling station okuje to anchor no anchor down
no okay
Allied Filling Station Urano, the CEO of Allied Filling Station, Dan Okujeto. Okujeto Ablakwa. Nima me ni wofa no. Oba adidomi ho, baby am free Central Town ho no. Wache summer hat, akọ wura nsuo no.
Wow.
And what the jet ski, any boats, speed boats, CBS issue. That is the beauty of modernization. When you say so na fasane mani nyina ko. It is not about no. This is a man for masa. Almost for no. I want to know how to make business. And I'm for trans so. One day me chono. This e bia wo no won tan ko fanti wo enko hwe de enko fo.
Lenzo sensuous no.
Enye nzulezo enye nsusu no mo. Wo ko kem ko so a kukuno grove tam na de adenya. Enye nso no mo. It's so beautiful. Ura Cape Coast now quarter cry omo ye sport bi wo so na no na de ade. Go fi go try na from ayi bona o tenwuma. Won't you feel it? You cry who say such environment is there skafona who say such environment cry no from no mo home efisi no ba. Emo nyini che. Anti eyen as oman e na wo say dwen. But who says say you as I'm telling you Kofi, I'm challenging you pa. Ko China ko fa engineers bra. No for me John no hwa de we di. No mo Kofi no mo so mo jot. I'm giving you 2 minutes. They'll prefer solution to it. That is what they do. Jot any Chinese thing coffee. Our be jira ho be 1 week Kofi. They will tell us how to do this. Trust me. They will tell us how to do this. Say, let's create buffer here. Let's reserve this water. So no, about dry season, I'm telling you, Chinese will do this. Kofi tell anybody so pa, opa yan tunchia. Ye ko China, nene China for the we dump. Any engineers work room. Any China for the bay. Akosombo Dam bi, any vacuum for na Kaiser Chief for na come crew go form free America or buy on bay. It is that omano ye nibia ye. Ye nibia ye. Ye nyina ye gumu kwa. And engineer send anya ho ye kasa. Na baby in China can do this so. Uye negligence. You be hanged. And I say about put oku. But my way, I want to say ye can say with you rasam. I'm can say engineer no abegina no grant interview or meteorological service for catcher. Damn you. Who? Our country ben so. And omano I was say sorry. With all our engineers. Yet you not as some way ya hwe ya ebi be sababu.
Oh yeah. We will.
Ya hwe ya ebi be sababu. Esa Lucy.
Because we are chances to the very now call that is the only solution we have now.
It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful when you have beach houses. What call a order Dr. Anyaho. E wo so go pe order. Spa ho no. Akosafara so order. Na wo ko e ti say. E ti say kwa wo ti so na no a from another ball who relax that you say. As on mine. And a good one anyway. But there can be a solution to this. As a so to said the crowd, Master will have a huge reservoir. Now, idea you want as I say, a bear Baba Sports Stadium way, bear times bear 20 times 100. I too damp, Kofi. You're too damp. I bet you you think we can do this? We can do it. It's engineering. So what I say? The head and I'm to me to head and I ate me Akosombo Dam. And it be a we dump. And the same Adiana. But mine one, ye shed that and drink quaitry. And I am not brought from the BT and or mine, ye and Dutch.
Let me tell you.
Bear microphone.